If you love baking cakes, then you are already aware of the fact that any baker requires a range of tools at their disposal to get the job done the right way. There are many different appliances that can be of great assistance while you are baking cakes, and the best cake leveler is one that you will need if you are planning to bake layered cakes or wish to prepare special decorations for the cakes you want to bake, which is why you should ensure you buy the best cake leveler. We've researched and discovered the 7 top-rated cake leveler, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for Freshness.com reviews of the best cake leveler plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Wilton Cake Leveler 10-inch. If you've been baking cakes for a while, you should be familiar with the Wilton brand already. They produce a range of high-quality tools that come to your aid while you're baking. We thought it would be a good idea to start our review by taking a look at the best Wilton cake leveler that we could find. After we searched the various options they have available at the moment, and we found the Wilton Cake Leveler 10-inch to be their best option. This is a relatively compact product that comes in a range of different colors, including white and purple. The product costs less than $8 and comes with a sharp blade that will easily cut through your cake with no issues at all. It is very easy to clean the entire product. The cake leveler comes with a complete guide to ensure you understand how to install the blade and adjust it to cut every cake perfectly, without leaving extra crumbs or causing the cake to break apart while you're leaving it with the tool. Coming in at number 2, ForeverSmooth 12-inch cake turntable with leveler. If you're looking for the best cake leveler that comes with everything you need to frost and level your cake, then the ForeverSmooth 12-inch cake turntable with leveler might be the ideal option for you. This is a kit that can be purchased as a standalone package or with the leveler included. The leveler is made from quality materials to ensure it is durable and can easily cut through any cake, which makes it easier to level your cake. No problem at all. The blade can be easily adjusted, and the product is very easy to clean. The kit also comes with a cake stand, along with some additional tools that will be handy if you want to decorate your cake after you've leveled it with the included tool. While this one is a little more expensive than some alternative options available at the moment, take into account the fact that you are not buying a leveler only, but also additional tools that will definitely come in handy. Coming in at number 3, Knightsbridge Global Adjustable 18-inch Cake Slicer Leveler. Next up is the Knightsbridge Global Adjustable 18-inch Cake Slicer Leveler, a larger option for those who are looking for a product that is more versatile. This cake leveler comes with serrated blades, which means it will flawlessly cut through your cake and give you a perfectly level cake, thus precisely serving the purpose you have purchased the product for in the first place. The blade measures a total of 18 inches in length. The frame is made from high-quality stainless steel. While the handle of this product does not feature any rubber grip, it is still a relatively comfortable product to keep in your hands while leveling a cake. Looking to learn more about the best cake leveler? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Gooday Adjustable Large 3 Blades Cake Cutter Interlayer Cake Slicer Leveler Household Cake Tools Baking and Pastry Tool. Those looking for a more versatile option in terms of a cake leveler should turn their attention to the Gooday Adjustable Large 3 Blades Cake Cutter Interlayer Cake Slicer Leveler Household Cake Tools Baking and Pastry Tool. This product can be used for various purposes. It is not only a cake leveler, but can also be utilized as a means of cutting cakes and other items with ease. The powerful blades are durable and extremely sharp, ensuring cutting can be done effortlessly and that you do not have to worry about replacing the blades too frequently. The Gooday Adjustable Large 3 Blades Cake Cutter Interlayer Cake Slicer Leveler Household Cake Tools Baking and Pastry Tool features a 3-blade system, but the blades can easily be removed for a single cut if required. Coming in at number 5, PROKITCHEN Adjustable Small Cake Leveler Cutter Slicer with stainless steel wires and purple handle for professional baking tools. After looking at a few options that are available on the market at the moment, we found the best professional cake leveler to be the PROKITCHEN Adjustable Small Cake Leveler Cutter Slicer with stainless steel wires and purple handle for professional baking tools. This is a heavy-duty option that comes with a very comfortable grip, which ensures you can grab onto the leveler and cut the top off your cake with precision. No need to worry about a tool that might slip out of your hands at all. The wire features a wavy design for better efficiency. A 2-wire system is also available for those who are interested in tests that might require more than a single blade. With a non-slip coating on the grip, this also means the cake leveler is much safer to use than some of the alternatives on the market. Coming in at number 6, Bonviee Adjustable Cake Leveler Professional Layer Slicer Cutter 3-blade Stainless Steel. The Bonviee Adjustable Cake Leveler Professional Layer Slicer Cutter 3-blade Stainless Steel is another excellent option if you are looking for a higher quality product that can be used to level out your cakes, while also providing you with additional functionality that makes it easy to cut the cake and even pastry items that you might make. In addition to the main product being the Bonviee Adjustable Cake Leveler, this particular product also comes with some additional tools that add further value to the package. This includes 2 different plastic scrapers. With these bonus tools, it means you're not only able to level your cake with this particular tool, but you can also apply frosting to your cake and scrape it to perfection with the added scrapers. The leveler has 18-inch blades, ensuring you can cut larger cakes with ease. Coming in at number 7, DayCount Pack of 3 Cake Leveler and Slicer Professional. Last on our list of the top cake levelers that are currently available on the market is the DayCount Pack of 3 Cake Leveler and Slicer Professional. This is another professional tool that comes in a convenient 3-pack. This means that should one of the levelers ever decide to stop functioning the way you need it to function, you simply turn to another one. Each of these levelers can take up to 2 blades at a time, which means this tool is also versatile and can be used for much more than just cutting off your cake's top in order to level it. The blades measure 12 inches to combine convenience, portability, and usefulness into one single product. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cake leveler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com's cake leveler to avoid. Avoid Freebily Stainless Steel Adjustable 2-Wire Cake Bread Cutter Slicer Cutting Leveler. Before we move on to look at some factors that you should keep into account when you decide to buy a cake leveler, let's also take a look at the worst cake leveler on the market. Now that we have shared with you some of the best options that you can choose from, after we did a lot of research, we suggest you avoid buying the Freebily Stainless Steel Adjustable 2-Wire Cake Break Cutter Slicer Cutting Leveler. At only 1 penny per piece, this one might seem like a real bargain at the first, but it really isn't worth your time or money, even though it's just a few cents. The Freebily Stainless Steel Adjustable 2-Wire Cake Bread Cutter Slicer Cutting Leveler is promoted as a product that can help you level your cakes and cut your bread, but the blades of this product do not seem to be sharp enough to cut through these items evenly. The grip is also not appropriate, as it is easy for the leveler to slip out of your hands, which could become a hazard while you're slicing and leveling your cake. And now for Freshness.com's final thoughts on buying the best cake leveler. Final thoughts on buying the best cake leveler. When it comes to baking layered cakes, a cake leveler is a tool that you should never be without. But with so many weak products on the market, it can be tough to ensure you buy the best cake leveler. We've provided the top-rated options that are currently available on the market to make the selection easier for you, and we even shared the worst options available with you to ensure you do not end up wasting your money when you decide that it is time to buy a cake leveler in order to help you bake the perfect layer cakes. Looking to learn more about the best cake leveler? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cake leveler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.